Section 8.2, multiplying integers. We start with working example number 1, multiplying integers. So we have some new rules to deal with. And there's 4 of them. So the rule is the product of 2 integers with the same sign. So the same sign is positive. If they're not the same sign, the product of 2 integers with different signs is negative. So that's our rule. If it's the same sign, so if they're both positive, then you have a positive answer, or if they're both negative, they have a positive answer. So it's kind of like 2 friends. If they're the same, they get along and everything's positive. If they're different and they don't get along, then that's a negative situation. So that's how I think of it. So, for instance, example A, calculate positive 3 times positive 4. Well, 3 times 4 we know is 12. Positive times a positive, well, let's look at the rules quick. Positive times positive equals positive. We know that they're the same, so they're friendly. So it's positive. So, positive 3 times positive 4 becomes positive 12. Now on a number line you can look at it. Okay, well 3 times 4 means there's 3 groups of 4. So you always start at 0 and you do one group to 4, another group of 4 and another group of 4. It will land on 12. Let's look at B. Calculate positive 2 times negative 9. Well, you start, you multiply the numbers. 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Then you look at your rule. Well, I've got a positive and a negative. They're different, so they don't get along, so it's negative. So it'll be 2 times negative 9 equals negative 18. Double check it on their sign rule. Positive times negative is negative. Again, start at 0. In this situation, it's 2 groups of negative 9. So we're negative 9, and another negative 9 takes you to negative 18. Okay, another example. Calculate negative 6 times negative 4. Well, start with multiplying the 2 digits. 6 times 4 is 24. Then look at the sign rule. Apply the sign rule. The product of 2 integers with the same sign is positive. So, positive 6 times positive 4, negatives. Negative 6 times negative 4. 24 is your answer. We know that they have the same sign, so it's a positive answer. So it's positive 24. This is much simpler now that we've done the chips. It's much simpler with just that simple little rule. So, practice this new rule with the show you know. Go ahead.